to be opened in 2050. Dear grandchildren, we write to you this evening in 2010 because we understand that you inherited a planet surrounded by an atmospheric carbon dioxide, CO2, level over 500 parts per million, ppm. As a result, your great-great-grandchildren will inherit at least this much CO2 in their environment, probably more. We believe that our generation abides by this misfortune for reasons we do not know. Perhaps greed or power or even simple evil directs our leaders. We live in an age of derangement for reasons we do not fully understand, then. We are profoundly sorry for you. We have tried. You should understand that our government and part of the commercial media these days denies climate science most forcefully. For example, even simple matters become confused. Many in the media and some in our government seek to confuse our understanding of weather and climate. We hope that your generation has learned this simple distinction and much, much more about their planet and its inhabitants. Again, we can only hope that your generation will have overcome the deceptions and denial that led our generation to ignore the simple physics, movement, and chemistry of Earth's CO2 levels. We realize that part of our social derangement resides in this educational paradox. How can so many have so much information and know so little? We hope that your generation works through this. As we write this letter, we have science-based evidence to understand that in 1750 Earth's atmospheric CO2 level remained at about 275 parts per million. As CO2 rose along with the burning of fossil fuels to power the Industrial Revolution, Earth's temperature increased as well. We know the facts proving the relation between global warming's part in the climate change your generation suffers, yet, many politicians ignore or deny this fact today. We are responsible parents and have sought to increase our environmental education over the years. We have informed ourselves well enough to understand how the simple physics of CO2's effect on our atmosphere and oceans, your atmosphere and oceans. We regret that many of our generation ignored these subjects while blindly accepting deceptive, unproven claims. We hope that your society overcame this derangement for an environmental ethics of sustainability. We pray that your world became a place of peace, caring, and sharing. Remember us. Love, your loving grandparents,